Hello everyone, in this video, I'll teach you how you can create videos like this one. So we are going to go to Canva, of course. Now over here, we'll click on this button and we will search for a video template, right? We will create a video landscape because the orientation is in landscape. So let's select this one. Yes, so we will divide this video into two parts. The first is the background in which the scenes is changing rapidly, like within seconds. So that is going to be the first part, and then the next part will be combination, like combining everything together and presenting it, right? So I'll just again show you. If you see in this video, let me just play it. Yeah, if you see behind, there are scenes that are just changing, right? In like seconds. So that is there. And then together, how we can make this video. Okay. So let's come to Canva. And what we'll do, we'll add the images that we want to play, right? Behind me. So what I'll do, I'll just upload, or you can just upload your pictures if you want your pictures to play. I want to use the pictures that are available in Canva. So I'll come to elements. And over here, I'll search for the pictures. So I want some vibrant pictures. So I'll just search for vibrant futuristic, right? This is what I want. And we'll go to photos, see all. Now over here, let's keep adding the pictures that we like. Okay, randomly, let's keep adding the pictures that we like. If you can see, one by one, it is getting added to the screen. That's what I'm doing. I'm choosing the pictures I like and adding it to the screen, right? To our area. So let's browse more. So we will select more and more pictures because these will be set for 1.1 seconds. So I'm going to add few more pictures. Okay. So like this, you have to add more and more pictures over here. And then the next thing you have to do is reduce the duration of each page to 0.1 seconds. Okay. If you see, is now 0.1 second. Similarly, do it for all the pages like this. Okay. Reduce it to 0.1 second. So that the this video looks rapid, that it is changing super fast, right? So for that, we have to make it 0.1 second. 0.1 second. Okay. Let's check. I think this video is not 0.1 second. Okay, that. Now, if you see, I'll play it. Now, when I click play, you see the images are changing very fastly, right? So this kind of video you have to create with more pictures because right now it is just of 1 second. You have to add more pictures to over here and make them 0.1 second so that the clip becomes at least 5 seconds long. Okay, at least 5 seconds long. Now, once you are happy, you have to download it. Click on the share button and then download. Okay, download it as a MP4 video. Okay, it is getting downloaded. Now come back to Canva and again take a blank new video template. Okay, we'll start from a blank new video. Top type. Now over here we will upload the video which we have just downloaded. Okay, you can go to upload and then from your downloads you just have to upload that video, right, which you have just downloaded. So it seems the video is not yet downloaded. Yeah, it is getting downloaded. So once it is downloaded, you can upload it. Okay, I'll just upload a video which has more pictures which I have created for 7 seconds. So I'll just add it over here. You can similarly add more pictures and create a longer duration clip like this. So this is our background. I have added the background which we have created just now. The next thing you have to do is add a foreground, right? Like the picture that goes behind your video so that the opening scene happens. So for that, let's go to photos and choose a picture, right, that we want. So I'll choose this. Okay, you can choose any picture. Like I like this one. I can add it over here. Now, here, the picture is on the same timeline. You have to make it overlay. Okay, so you just drag it from first bar to the top one like this. Now, if you see, this is a overlay. Okay, if I play it, the behind video we are unable to see, right? So for that, what we will do, we will just duplicate it into two. Okay, we have just added a picture. Let's duplicate it. You can click on this button to duplicate. Now we have two pictures. If you look at the timeline, we have two pictures over here. Okay, now we will split this picture into two parts. Okay, I'll give you an example over here. If you see, we'll click the top one, top picture, and we will first bring it to the center. Now if you see, it is center aligned, and we will split it like this until the line turns pink, right? If you see, the line has turned into pink. Okay, we will do the same thing for this one, the center picture. This time we will split it like this from downwards. Okay, we have split the image into two parts. I'll move it and show you. If you can see, this is what we have created, right? Added a picture and we have splitted it into two parts. Two images into two parts, right? Like splitted. Now, the next thing we have to do is we have to add the animation so that those images goes upward in this direction, right? One goes upward, one goes downward. So for that, first click the upper picture and then click on animate. Go to create an animation and press shift key so that the line which we are going to draw is straight. Okay, so press shift key and then draw a line like this. If you see, the upper animation is working. Now do these settings, smooth, and set the speed to like somewhere like this. Okay, you can choose a speed you like. I'll keep it over here and then now do the same thing for this picture. Click on animate and then create an animation. Press shift key and then down, right? Again, make it smooth and the speed also remains same. Awesome. So what we did, let me make the clip till here, right? Till 7 seconds. Awesome. So what we have done, we have added a picture and once we play it, it is going like this, right? That is achieved. Only part that is left now is adding our video on top without the background. So you can add your own video, you can upload it, like choose a video from Canva. When you click on it, the video becomes like this size. And I want it to be of this size. So I'll just add a new page just to add this video. Add it on the screen, drag it and drop it over here and then remove the background. Okay, you have to click over here, remove your background. The background is removed. Okay, now choose the duration of the clip you want. Like I just want like 4 or 5 seconds from here, like total 7 seconds. I want a 7-second clip. Okay, you can adjust it and then bring it right over here. Okay, so I've adjusted our clip and brought it over here. Now make it bigger, place it in the center like this, right? I'll just make it a bit more bigger. We have our clip. Now when I play it, if you see, right, we have achieved the video in the background, the video on the top, and that animation of opening, a reveal animation, right? The other thing that I have added in this video, which I have shown, there's also my name that appears behind me, right? If I play it, you'll see, have a look, it appears, right? So let's add that as well. So for that, let's press T in our keyboard to add a text. So I'll just add Hina. Okay, if you see, I have added Hina. Let's change the font. I'll choose Anton from here. Make it bolder, like it is already in bold. Change the color to white or any color that you like. I want to make it white. Okay. And then keep it over here. Duplicate it. Keep it over here and then add your last name. Okay. And make it caps. Now you have to send it backwards. Right now it is in front. So you have to send it backwards. So go to position and send it backward. Okay. Same. Send it backward so that it appears when the slide reveals, right? Like this happens. So now if I play, if you see, it appears when that happens. So this is how you can create this clip, and you can add audio as well. Like if you want to add audio to it, you can add audio. Like you can choose audio files from Canva itself. If you go to apps, you'll find audio over here, and you can even add your own voiceover to it. You can add AI voice, or you can choose any music that you like from here, or you can upload your own music and it will come into audio tab and you can add it. Okay, so easy like this, you can add it and you can adjust your clip from here. If I want, suppose I want the exact part, like the music, I can adjust it like this. And now when I play it, okay, it is taking a few minutes, right? So that's how it is done. You can adjust it to 7 seconds so that everything is in sync. Okay, so along with that, I have attached a link to this template so that you can access this as well, this file, and you can adjust your videos and create such kind of video with Canva. I hope this video was useful. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more such Canva tutorials.